Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna share with you some news. Also, I'm gonna share with you some of my analysis. They are my personal thoughts, personal analysis. There is no any investment advice. So let's just move on. I hope my voice comes well because I'm still sick, but it's not an excuse to not make a video. You know it. So let's see what's going on in the world. As usual, it's already complicated. U.S. hit one bridge in Iran, which is real important and is not good side of ethic. Um, but they made it. Then Iran made shut down their fighter jet. So this is problem because if just in case if they arrest the people, not let them go, or I don't know, is even that was a problem. It might increase the situation. Of course, it would. Just the things after that, Iran trade most of country like UAE, like Kuwait, like all of them. So whatever they fighting, whatever America makes, they just hit other country, which is like not have problem with anything else. That's so sad, but what to do? Just in case I'm telling you this new cause, in weekend we can see some drop, not side of Trump, because in weekend there is no stocks open, they're closed. That's why Trump cannot make long short. Uh, so but Iran doesn't give a damn about anything, so we don't know Iran moves. Usually Trump not makes anything on weekend, just on Friday they making and is ending. Whatever happened and on there it's continue like that, but we don't know side of Iran, so that's why just watch out, guys. And okay, I always telling you some bad news. It's time to good news now. Metaplanet buys 5,075 Bitcoin in quarter 1 2026. Total holdings hit 40,177 Bitcoin. That's very good because it's good to know some good company are still continue taking it. So it's giving some, of course, hopes for us. It's letting us feeling it's a deep, but of course, if weekend something goes worse, then we can even see like 49 in Bitcoin, but that's not the end of the world. No worry, it will come rise again. But I was about to telling some good news. Anyway, it's nothing other side. Right now we got good news and let's just move on. Total right now and decision part today, Friday, guys. Today is a little critic cause, whatever, and today we will see the direction. So I cannot say it will make up or down. It's 50-50. This time it's 50, yes. But the things when we see direction, then we're gonna decide to what to do. That's the things. So if we can see normal, calm Iran this weekend, we can see a break up over 2.34 trillion in total market cap. But if not, it's not okay. We will see drop till 2.2. And side of gold, yes, gold also making uh, after that, after when it reached the place that I told you and it dropped down, now it will try to rise again. So if it can surpass 4,800, there is your box. You can earn in this money because if things goes well, how can I say, right now our things is not harmless. It's still on the table, but it's not making price mark in market, yeah. So we can consider gold as a second round. Maybe it can make rise. If it can break up 4,800, then people can see it as a safe zone till 5,100. So let's see. If it's not, then we can talk. We don't have any position at the below. So in silver, it still didn't enter. Of course, if gold goes same as our expectation, we can see some rise on here as well. But I just wanna make sure. By the way, I just wanna let you know it didn't enter. Yes. So I just want to make little guarantee. That's why let's just move it here. So that's better. So if it can rise, then we can consider long. If it's drop, this is your short zone. Bitcoin. Let's check the brand now. Brand made rise and it was drop over there as I told you, and it rise now. Right now I'm telling it's making lower high, that's why it will drop. Where is my arrow? Again, so that's not going to be a surprise. So if it drop and market goes well, then we can see some rise in crypto. But if it drop and market goes bad, then we can see some rise in gold. That's the things. Bitcoin also in some decision part is keep walking around here, and to be honest it's really holding well. So if it break up this line, we will see 96, I hope. If it's not, guys, it's not goes well in short period of time, we can see 62. But if we see some sharply movement in markets, like very bad news side of Iran or Trump, whatever it is, we can see this is our bad scenario. But let's hope it's not happen. Let's hope to break up this line. Ethereum also, we earn well on Ethereum. Ethereum also, yeah, like how can I say, wanted to rise, but of course up to station. If it's break down this level, our first target is 1900, but if it can rise, we can see at least at first 2614. Sorry, 2000 and gosh, I cannot read. 2140, 2006, 2164 finally. So yeah, that we can see. BNB. BNB, I just wanted to give you a short, yes, it would rise. You know what? Uh, that's okay, that's can tryable. And it's giving just very small short. That's why I just wanted to try this, and it gives 2.6 percentage with 2x. You can consider as a 5 percentage, like just a short term if you wish. So it's very far, just leave it alone anyway. So still goes, it's not right now, but it dropped down till 76 and it wasn't surprise. So guys, I'm giving you a zone for Solana, because if it's break down on this level and close at least one candle, we will see sharply down movement on Solana, and it's almost 8 percentage. So good luck. Bitcoin Cash, it made a stop. God damn it. Anyway, right now it's not make sense because it's always, how can I say, the chart is crazy in Bitcoin Cash. It can make anything else. Like market can goes up, like everything can be very bullish, but it can decide to go short. So just leave it alone. XRP. This is not making sense right now. Okay, anyway, just leave it, just in case. I'm telling you, if it can drop lower of this level, you can consider as a short. It would give inside of that level. Yeah, just current place. XLM same as well. We got short on XLM, that's good, and we earn like 4.5 percentage. Nice. Let's just close it up. So far, I can say that if it's drop, you can take inside of that box, or else it's not look safe at all. Yes. Link. This is my things. It will drop again, but even though I'm not gonna make anything, maybe it can make like that. That's it. Zach. Zach, the things on Zach, yes. I said when it's drop, then enter, then it will rise. It's made it. But the things, it's made it with very small. God damn it. Do you see this? It didn't enter. That's why I cannot mark this as a success. Yes, it was here, but it didn't enter. So now what I'm thinking. Maybe if it enter here, you can consider. Let's just make it that, like that, yes. Then, let's see. It says small short, so that's okay. Pippin going like that. But what did I told you 2 weeks ago when it's break down this line? I told if it break down, it will go very huge. So even after that, it's dropped like 60%. It was a surprise. So right now, it's not make sense to make anything. Even it's filling our box, it will come till here for sure. So where it can make reversal, I don't think so. It would make, but around 0.02 like that it would make some reversal, but even though I do expect more drops on pin river, god damn it, river. So it would make nice short here. You know what, let me see. I will not give a position on river because it's make me cancer. It's giving 11 percentage, guys. This is totally up to you, but I do think so. It will drop till 11, then maybe you can make another reversal even with wicks. The things the wicks might be lower than this one, so it's okay. This is 11 percentage, and I don't think so it can break up now. I don't know, this is crazy. These coin are like insane, but also market insane, so I cannot blame anything. The long story short, I do expect a drop, and if it can break up, you can consider over this line. And what else? Dot has nothing. Dot's going to their short zone. So let me just mark it. If it's cannot hodl over there, it will come inside of that box. That's not looking good, guys. If it make lower high, that would be end of it. And Feds didn't rise and didn't drop, but the things I'm telling, it would drop down because it looks like it's not gonna give that area, so you can consider it till this level. If it break up, you can consider on this level. Yes, let me just mark it. When it's break up this level, then you can consider as a long, or else it will drop till here. So far, I mean. And hype inside of our boxes. Since it was here, I told you it will come here. So it came. If you're pro trader, you already earn. Please come. What does it? You already earn almost 5%. So if you are not, then I'm gonna give you a position. So no worry, it will. You can come even straight away, does not matter. Because it has very small percentage. Yes, like that. I mean, stop. So you can consider this area, but of course don't forget to take half of it when it's reach, our strategy. So you can just enter it and bon appetit. Let's see. Siren, gosh, after we open short, it's bent like double. And kite. Long time I haven't seen you, baby. It's make and this. So what I'm thinking, it would drop. I will not give a position, but I do think it will drop at least till here. So it's letting you earn like 15%. It's not small. It's on good spot, I can say, and it's making dodgy. It's rejected on the top. So let's see. And long story short, guys, always, as always, watch out your stop loss. I do give some position always. This weekend I'm gonna give less. Yes, we still have position long and short, but not that much cause. In markets, in this has indecision, so we need to see some direction, then we can be sure. Cause yes, I know a market has a potential, it can rise, but with one news, with small, problem, it can destroy by side of Iran and Trump. That's why I don't want to let them to, let cause some losses to me. That's why it's better we're not in rush. We can earn money, not losing money. Also, side of earning money. Okay, don't forget it. So I'll see you Monday. I hope you can have wonderful weekend.